First game of the night. Shout out may yung gabi sa tanan.
Sarabia ball. Foul. Not counted.
First game, PNP Sarabia versus Save More Silay.
Defensive for three. No good.
Rebound.
There's a foul. Foul number 14. Second personal foul.
Uy!
Number 99. What a move. Not counted. Save more.
Good evening sa tanan nga viewers.
Shoot no. Rebound by Save more. The guy number 3.
Nice dad.
Good.
There's a foul.
PNP Sarabia ball.
Ball for PNP Sarabia. Duterte for three. Awas.
Rebound by the PNP Sarabia number 99.
Basket.
2 points. Remaining time 8 minutes and 57 seconds.
Sorry.
Shot clock 10. On.
Basket. Ano nila? Battle for fourth spot? Bracket A, battle for fourth spot.
Is low. A good rebound. Out of bounds. PNP Sarabia ball.
Hi, Bray. Mas magambal.
Number 19, Garvin, number 6.
Oh, traveling violation for na Save More Silay. Ay, PNP Sarabia kali, sorry.
PNP sila yan?
Oo. PNP ka Save More ang panganay sa bong.
Hidayah, number 3. Number 6, Juka. Uliga, shot clock 10, 9, 8.
Oop.
3
seconds violation.
8 minutes and 6 seconds. With the number 29, penetrates. A foul. Number 14.
Foul for number 14.
It's third personal foul for number 14.
Number 29 on the free throw line. Wala. First row. Second attempt. Score, what is those?
Over rebound, PNP Sarabia. Over rebound to PNP Sarabia. Save more Silay. Penetrate. Running. Dribbling. Number 10. Number 6 to Duka. No good.
Out of bounds.
Save more Silay ball. Out of bounds. 14 seconds shot clock.
Shot out. 6-8. On time kaya bala. Duka for 3. 5-2 ang score para sa Save More Silay. Sorry. Basket!
May kasamang foul.
Foul.
Nice move for Gilang Tagang.
Natagaan mo na siya? Natagaan mo na siya?
Bonus free throw counter.
Basket! Wallace 5 score. Wallace 5.
7 minutes and 25 seconds. Remaining time for the first quarter.
Ay!
Number 6, Duka. Yes. Basket. 2 points.
Boy, may ka ba shoutout? Shoutout. Tabis ako, no? Wala, may ka ba shoutout?
Mr. Islawit dribbling the ball. Give it to Coach 30 for 3. No good. Yes. Basket. 2 points.
Bray, shoutout na ng sound, Bray.
6 minutes and 56 seconds.
Shoutout, kaya mo daw wala magpa-shoutout sa ako na. Hindi mo kita mga comments, ha?
Shot clock 15. 10, 9, 8.
Basket again. 4.
Warning, delaying the game.
Sino nga 17?
17 of St. Marcelin. Mr. Slowa, give it to Mr. Duterte for 3. No good. Rebound, Seymour. Guarded by Mr. Duterte. Number 6, Luca. Penetrates.
Uy!
Pass number 29. Penetrates. Layup. No good. Rebound. Penty Sarabia. Give it to number 99. Layup. Yeah. Basket. Easy 2 points.
Score 9-all.
5 minutes, 55 seconds.
9-all ang score.
Rebound by Mr. Duterte. Yes, Penty. No good. Rebound by Seymour.
Kita, anong helmet?
Number 3, Ligaya. Ang tawag
For
sa akin.
3.
No good. Number 99.
Basket.
Easy basket. 2 points.
11-9 ang score for PNP Sarabia.
5 minutes and 21 seconds.
Uy pa.
Shot clock
Comment ka
12.
na may.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
Nice, Dad.
3. Rebound. PNP Sarabia. 5 minutes. Duterte. Steal. Give it to Seymour Sila. Number 14. Give it to Duca. Duca. 2 points.
Basket.
Basket. Easy
Nag-comment ka?
basket.
Huwag gagawa.
4 minutes and 43
Wala
seconds.
gagawa ang mga comments. I don't know.
Lawa.
Ito naman ang
Easy.
Facebook.
No good. Rebound. Into Sarabia. There's the foul. Basket.
Ito ang comment.
Timeout. Seymour Sila.
Tama to, comment to. Dali lang kita mas
4 minutes and 23 seconds remaining time for the
Message
first
ko.
quarter. Garis, Sir Balbi Kilentagaran, and one of the best coach of the Ballers League, Coach Sturdy.
Wala may kagawa ka comments ako. Pasensya, good
And to
evening sa
our
mga
two handsome
May
referees,
gabi, Pikachu from
Ano
Hard
yun?
Ganar. Good evening, madam. Shout out naman from Bacolod, Johnny Guerrero. Ano abanse? Abanse ang PNP Sarabia 13-11 ang score. Mayong gabi, Jongi Rubio. Rogdel Alejaga, shout out sa referee Villarias from Capiz. Pa-shout out gali si Momis kay Jomari Cuevas. Shout out
what is
PNP
free
to
throw for
Mando.
PNP Sarabia?
Halin kay Kinisha. Wala may kagwa nga comment sa akon.
No good. Rebound. Rebound. Seymour Sila. Number 14. Dribbling. Number 6. Duca. Duca. Pass to number 17.
Wala
There's
ko
the
kita ko
foul.
ga live. Wala ginag-comment kay.
4 minutes and 14 seconds. 2 free throws for number 17. First attempt.
First attempt for number 17.
Oh, that's the kick.
Hindi.
Second attempt. Basket.
Basket. Siya may sa phone. Wala man niya kundi ko kita via comments.
4 minutes and 10 seconds. Pedroso basket. 3 minutes and 55 seconds. Shot clock 15. No good. Rebound. Seymour. 14. 20 Sarabia. Mr. Duterte. Foul.
Wala.
Penalty.
Sorry, loko lewat ba? Mabish. Rana.
Number 6, Duca. 2 minutes and 53 seconds. Duterte for 3. Yes. 2 minutes 45.
Sorry guys, ano na nagsalod man
Number
gitang
6, 3 points. No good. Rebound. Kenty Sarabia. Number
Comments.
29 running.
Go team, save
Give
for
it
the
to
line.
teammate. Layup. No. 2 minutes and 26 seconds. Rebound. Kenty Sarabia. 3 against 1. Basket. 2 points. 2 minutes and
Go
12
team,
seconds.
save more. Still live from Lord G. Last Moso. Gabi siya akong signal.
Luka for 3. No good. Rebound. PNP Sarabia.
Ay!
The number 17. Steal by Save More. Give it to Duka. To Ligaya number 3. 12 seconds shot clock. No good. Rebound. PNP Sarabia. 3 against 2. Duterte for 3. No good. Rebound by PNP. No good. Number 99.
Hey!
Yes. 2 points. Basket. 1 minute and 30 seconds.
1:30 remaining on our first quarter. Duka for
Duka.
rebound
Number
for
14.
save more.
Basket.
Basket.
1
Score.
minute and 19 seconds.
24-14 na score. 14 pala.
Shot clock 15. Layup, no good. Rebound by Saborn. 1 minute.
Ma'am, shoutout lang si mo.
Tuligaya, pass to number 6,
Where
basket.
score si Dadaw?
50 seconds.
Shout out lang si mo from Race. Marky
For 3, no
Pasino.
good. Kaya siya na the ball.
Ayun,
Foul.
okay na, nagano na. Nagbalik na akong signal.
38 seconds remaining time. 38 seconds.
38 seconds, 24-16 ang score for PNP Sarabia. Number 99 on the free throw line.
First attempt,
Wala.
38 seconds. Second attempt, basket. 38 seconds.
25-16 for
35.
PNP Sarabia. 25-16 ang score.
30. 15
Ligaya po. Wala.
PNP Sarabia ball. 25 seconds. Out of bounds. Save more sila. 24 seconds.
24 seconds remaining first quarter. Shut up.
Twenty. 15.
Basket for Ligaya. 18-25.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
End of our first quarter. Lawig ba? 25-18 ang score para sa PNP Sarabia.
End of the first quarter.
25-18.
Score 25-18 in favor of PNP Sarabia. Pwede kasakot, Bobby, kang coach yan, ng exhibition dance.
Exhibition. Anong tanaw? Ano yung talent ka po nung de?
Morris of the big game, Mupunang Garis versus Copimon's battle with the first spot for the bracket B. Second part.
Ha? Second fight. Sino Abansi Madam? Abansi ang PNP Sarabia 25-18 ang score. Second quarter. Second five. Hindi na sa'yo magpupudyo ang nakaito.
Save more Silay ball.
Neon Pink. Terno na sa among jersey mo? Ang pink.
The team captain, number 18, Katantan, give it to Canicula. No good. Rebound by Save more, number 0. Okay.
Short.
Good pass, but no good. Rebound by PNP Sarabia. Number 1. With the number 27. A good rebound by PNP Sarabia with basket.
27-18 for PNP
9 minutes and 22 seconds. Shot clock 15. 10, 9, 8.
Where's the foul? Bulid-bulid ba?
Foul number 27. Two free throws for the team captain of Save More.
First attempt. Wala.
No good. Second, no good. Rebound by PNP Sarabia number 3. D-Wade. Number 1, Orsua. For 3. No good. Rebound by steal by Save More. Mr. Araneta. To Sir Canicula. Guarded by D-Wade. Sir Canicula for 3. No good. Rebound number 1. PNP Sarabia ball. 8 minutes and 42 seconds. Ramirez. Layup is not good. 14 shot clock. 10, 9. Rebound by Save More. Canicula. There's a foul. Foul number 1. 8 minutes and 22. 20 seconds shot clock.
27-18 a score.
And time for 3.
Short.
Very short.
Kasi punsa.
8 minutes and 11 seconds. Number 1. Give it to number 27, De La Cruz. D-Wade. Basket. 7 minutes and 55 seconds.
29-18 a score para sa PNP Sarabia.
Canicula penetrate, foul. Foul number 3. 2 free throws for Canicula.
Basket. Canicula on the free throw line para sa Save More Silay.
Second attempt.
Second attempt.
No.
Rebound.
Rebound by D-Wade. Give it to Lacruz number 27. To D-Wade. Dribbling guarded by Save More. Give it to number 1. Ramirez. Lumipad. Layup. No good. Rebound by Save More. Save More to PNP Sarabia. Good pass. Number 1. There's a foul.
Pasensya, wala ko nalisip.
Foul number 18. Foul number 18.
Wait, may pa-shoutout sa ako mo. Sir, thank you.
Ramirez. Good. Guard to number 3. Good pass to number 1.
Good pass.
Layup.
You did.
Wala. Rebounding number 3. Oh, yeah. Baboy, 2 points.
31-19 for PNP Saravia. Canicola for 3. Wala.
Defense Ramirez. Number 12. Rebound by Canicola.
Uy.
Short. Rebound with number 1. Easy 2 points.
Basket. Wala.
6 minutes and 25 seconds.
33-19. Wala gito. Wala ba una po may.
Number 1. Rebound by Canicola. 6 minutes and 7 seconds.
Basket.
5 minutes and 52. Shot clock 15. Basket. Time out. Save Marcelay.
35-21 is score. Timeout for Save Marcelay.
5 minutes and 38 seconds.
35-21. Wala gid man may ko. Sige. Shout out kay Renz nga sad boy, siya lang da isa. Shout out. Luy-luy bata oh. Wala pa si Barbie ka pa shout out, karon pa na. Busy pa siguro.
5 minutes 35.
35-21 is score.
Shot clock 15.
Canicola for 3.
No good. Rebound by PNP Saravia. Steal.
Kael Bragasio, shout out,
Yes,
basket.
basket. 5 minutes and 9.
Shout out yo, may gabi yo. Kapuli ka pa man yo. Huwag ka pa man napalayas yo.
5 minutes. No good. Rebound number 1. PNP Saravia. Basket.
37-23 na score. 37-23
4 minutes and 45.
for PNP Saravia.
Chalico. Yes.
Basket.
Basket.
Shout out madam, shout out Peter Lewis the Ching
4 minutes and
Pia
30.
shots. My God,
27. No
Wala.
good. Rebound by 0.
Mayo, ay kapamite ka sa ano, World Championship.
4 minutes and 22.
4 minutes 22 remaining on our second quarter. Score 37-25 para sa PNP Saravia. 37-25.
Shot clock 15.
Bam! Tulichi for 3.
Richie for 3 points.
28-37.
4 minutes. Shot clock 14. 10, 9, 8.
Nice save.
Save more.
Ball
Steal.
more,
Give
save
it
more.
to the team captain. It's Canicola, number 15. Canicola penetrates. There's a foul. No basket. Penalty. Three minutes and 42. 2 free throws
Shout
for
out
Canicula.
kay Aldwin Blancada from Kurt Poblacion. Canicula on the free throw line
First
again.
attempt.
Basket.
Second attempt.
Oh, di man to trick sa'yo.
Second
Attempt. Basket again.
3 minutes and 40.
30-37 agalaot ang Save Marcelay.
Save Mora habol.
30-37.
Ursua for 3.
Basket. 3 points.
3 minutes and 20.
40-30 ang score para sa PNP Sarabia.
Shot clock 15.
There's a foul on the 3-point line.
Foul.
Shout out Miko Herdon halin kay Kurt Poblacion. There's a foul on the 3-point line. 3 free throws para kay Canicula. First attempt. Basket.
3 minutes and 7. Second attempt.
Wala.
Last free throw. No good. Rebound. PNP Sarabia. Give it to number 1 Ursua. There's
There's a
a
foul.
3 minutes and 5.
$40-31 score for PNP Sarabia.
Ramirez. Penetrate. Foul. 2 minutes and 59 seconds. 2 free throws for Ramirez.
First attempt.
Basket. Second attempt.
Basket again. Shout out Save More Victoria Salinkay Kenisha Rodriguez.
2 minutes and 50. Layup. No good. Ursua. Rebound. Ursua. Steal by Canicula. 2 minutes and 35.
Save More Victoria siya.
Number 15 for 3. No good. Rebound. PNP Sarabia. 2 minutes and 27. Number 3, no. Rebound. Safety. 2 minutes and 19. Salico. Canicula.
Ay!
Good. 2 minutes and 10. Ursua.
Ay!
Foul.
42-31 is score.
4th team foul. Basket.
First attempt,
2 minutes
basket.
and 3.
43-31. Second attempt, basket
Yes.
again. 44-31 na score for PNP Sarabia.
Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes of the second quarter. Up.
Foul, pushing foul for number 27. Shot clock, penalty.
Penalty.
Save more sila, penalty na sila.
Defensive Marcelay from
Both teams are
Bray.
in the penalty.
First attempt, basket. 44-32.
1 minute and 15.
Second attempt, basket again. 44-33 ang score. Second quarter. Pa-shout out sa number 1, alin kay Roses de la Peña. Wala sa gihapon.
Number 3. Rebound, save more. 1 minute 10:35. Canicula, nice pass.
Ay!
1 minute and 28. Ramirez. Oh, there's a foul.
Bawi Ford.
Penalty. 1 minute and 23 seconds.
First attempt, wala. For Ramirez. Uy, dyan na ba? Isa. Rebound! Up!
Ooh.
Violation.
Violation. Save more Sinai ball. Number 8 Araneta on the free throw line.
Do, yung tagiya ka, ano ba? Araneta mo.
First attempt. Basket. 1 minute and 23 seconds. Second attempt, no good. Rebound at PNP Sarabia.
44-34! Ay!
Punti ka na. 1 minute and 20.
Nugon ka save ko, boy.
Number 27, easy layup basket. 1 minute and 10
Good deal!
seconds.
Shout out da si mo Madam Idol ka ni RV from Eric Mijares. Thank you. Te wala kita da.
1 minute. 3 points.
Basket for Nicola. 3 points.
50 seconds.
37-46 ang score.
Shot clock 17. 49 seconds. Forty-five.
Steal.
Steal by Seymour. Canicula running. Canicula luminsa. Dinan. Lipat.
Ay!
35 seconds.
39-46.
Another steal for Seymour. 30. Up. Blocking.
Nasobrahan lang. Nagwa lang.
27 seconds. Ursua number 1. Third personal foul. First attempt, no good.
39-46.
27 seconds.
Second attempt for the free throw line. Canicola basket. 40-46 and score. PNP Sarabia.
25. Intentional foul number 18.
Intentional foul.
Intentional foul, 2 free throws,
Ano, sir?
and ball position.
Galing.
Dungol yan.
First attempt,
No good.
no good. 22 seconds.
Pila ka free throw?
Ball
Second
position
attempt,
for
basket.
PNP Sarabia.
47-40. PNP Sarabia. 47-40 ang score.
22 seconds. 20. 15.
Oh!
PNP Sarabia ball. Out of bounds. 12 seconds.
Shout out kay Paloma Idol. Shout
12
out
seconds.
kaling kay Punayan Reggie.
10.
Routine
9.
shout out lang dahil sa
8,
kumpare ko nga papo
7,
nga nag-aobra sa Princess nga tag
4,
sa Prince nga taga Antonio Luna
2, 1.
na si Bunso from Eric Mijares. End of our second quarter, 40-49 na score. Ay, pila ha?
Score 40-49 in favor of PNP Sarabia.
40-49 na score for PNP Sarabia. Third quarter of the game na kita. Madamo nga salamat sa aton mga sponsors. Thank you so much. Honorable Mayor Judith C. Gallego, Vice Mayor Tom Ledesma Bula, Councilor Noynoy Penuela, Councilor Ryan Gamboa, Councilor Mike Maravilla, Kapremi Roldan of Barangay Balaring, Silay Institute, Otsoy's Bistro, Chick Boys Grill, The Yard, Punong Garis, Pintok Arts, Gaston Tattoo, and most especially to Sir Paulo Chanca of Team Paulo Chanca Organization. Madamo gid nga salamat for supporting the Ballers League.
Kita the stars.
What? Stars sabi na. Stars na.
Kita the stars.
Ilang mo yung kulang ko? 14. Isa ko lang.
Isa ko lang sa PNP Sarabia, 5 sa save mo.
Damo, balis ang
So, team
Sarabia
captains,
ba? Guys, mapili ka mo kung hindi. Dalian na, pili na ka mo.
PNP Sarabia, pili sila 5 sa save mo.
Sino kakapalto ka na? Sino? Number 7.
Mapili ang PNP Sarabia, kulang 5. Kay Pulo lang ang Save More sila eh.
Pinaog ka mali, brave was kape sa dalog. Sa Biyaman.
Shout out lang da sa referee nga si RV Idol ko. Halin kay Eric Mijares. Okay, third. Sino? Wala, may naka-uniform sa inyo nga PNP Sarabia. Wala uniform. Wala na lang eh. Sir, ma-picture kasi mo, sir. Okay, pasok mo na sa... Hindi na. Straight lang. Isa-isa lang. Every day is program.
Sir, para pikir lang pili yun, sir, kung paano lang. Third 5. Pili ka mo isa, save more sa PNP Sarabia. Chi, sa sila, Chi. Third quarter.
Third quarter na kita, 40-49 para sa PNP Saravia.
Grabe pilihan. Save more sila ball. Araneta, the number 17, number 8, give it to number 14.
Oy! 3 seconds violation.
Picture perfect. 3 seconds violation.
Anong kumano ko? Huwag ka pa wakari ko. Ano yun? Dali lang. Check.
Hello, check.
Uya ko ah.
Kaya mo na natural mo na ko.
Di paano kung di ka pa may tech, be? Dali lang, gagaway. Sana all ginagawan. Ano pa may tech mo? Paano naman? Bulay budlay ba? Bulay budlay ba? Dali lang. Rebound! For 3! Wala. Ball para sa PNP Saravia. May budlay sa doon ba? May budlay. Foul number 24. 9 minutes. May budlay para sa akon. May lang wala ko ga. May lang wala ko ga camera kay. Ako dahil malawag-lawag
A
ko.
good rebound by Safer. Araneta running, dribbling. Araneta guarded by layup. No good.
40-49 sa gihapon na score.
8 minutes and 53 seconds. No good rebound. PNP Saravia. Number 6.
Up! Traveling. Traveling violation for PNP Saravia. 40-49 na score.
8 minutes and 40.
Ano po nga file number?
Shot clock 15. Up. There's a foul.
Oh,
12 seconds shot clock.
nag-give up naman sa
10, 9, 8. Rebound.
Uy, aman bo.
Number 17, steal by Sable. Number 29, penetrate, layup. Good. 2 points. 8 minutes and 12.
Bisyo nga yung adapter guro.
This is the battle of fourth spot. Ursula. Steal. Oh, can't get out of ball. Steal by Sable. Araneta. With it in number.
Bago jacket.
Oh.
Ito na nga bala oh.
Time up.
Foul number 6.
Foul number 6.
Illegal screening.
Illegal lagging screening.
What's dirty?
On score 42-49.
Pwede ka pera.
Ang daming nangyari kagabi.
Pwede ka? Pwede ka mo sumadyo. Pwede ka, Mads. Mads.
Ha? O sige oh.
Balik-balik ko lang kung maganaw.
Oh.
Ito ka lang gadyoted.
Gusto ko lang ah. Libot ah.
Our new Pikachu. Coach 30. Si Mr. Pikachu ni siya. Number 14.
Ferdy Lopez channel na yan. Bye.
Basket! 3 points.
44-49 galaot ang PNP ay save more sila sa PNP Saravia.
There's a foul, number 14. Fourth personal foul. for
Fourth
number
personal
14.
foul for number 14.
Isa ka na lang.
Taga-sound natin. Teng, teng.
Malapit na.
Go. Number 3.
Wow!
Easy basket for number 3.
44-51.
7 minutes and 13. Number 8, Araneta. Give it to number 14. Number 14, seconds. Six minutes and 55. Shedmore Pilar ball out of bounds.
Damo, Fanzo.
Number 8, Araneta.
46-51 ang score. 5 na lang. Araneta.
Number 8.
Oh!
Give it to number 24. No good. Rebound by PNP Sarabia.
PNP Sarabia.
PNP Sarabia with the number 1. Number 1.
Oh!
Basket.
Basket. 46-53.
6 minutes and 28.
Go malak.
Shot clock 15.
Malak.
10 seconds shot clock. 9, 8, 7.
Lo, may i-tik-tik mo sa likod yun.
Nasingkit.
6 minutes. Number 1.
Oh! Number 3, oh! Isa pa!
Basket.
Time out!
Time out. Save ball.
Time out for Save More and score 46-55.
Remaining time 5 minutes and 49.
5:49 the remaining.
Our guest is
On the
don't
third
forget
quarter.
to
Go
like
Team
and
Save More. Good
subscribe
evening,
to the
madam.
channel.
Shout out na rin kay Lawrence
And
Avellana
to Pikachu.
Garcia.
Kung sino ang matuog sa duwa ka team, clear na ang fourth spot para sa ila.
Battle for the fourth spot para sa bracket A. No, sakto. Bracket A. Bracket A. Save More Silay is our defending champion for Season 1.
Season 1 lang.
Damo, be.
Tapos season 2, duwa-duwa na.
Free throw from Mr.
Hasildo,
Hasildo.
number 3. Rebound for Araneta.
5 minutes
number
and
14.
45 seconds. Number 14. Foul. Foul. Foul.
Basket.
Basket.
48-55.
5 minutes and 41 seconds. It's a foul basket.
5:41 remaining on the third quarter. Free throw for number 14.
Bonus free throw. No
Wala.
good. Rebound. Rebound.
For PNP Sarabia.
Number 6.
Along-along ka na.
Guard with number 8. Sir Ursua.
Wow! Nice block. Follow up. Ball for
Araneta.
Save More Silay.
Running. Guard by number 3.
Umatake.
Umatake.
Nice block by number 3. Stepping on the
Stepping on
line.
the line. Save more ball.
48-55 the score. 48-55 for PNP Sarabia.
Break number 14.
Number
Take it to
14.
three, no. Good to Sir Araneta for 3.
Bam!
Back.
Wala.
No good.
Rebound. Oh, there's a foul.
Foul. Foul number 3
Third.
is first personal foul.
Number
5 minutes and
17. Basket.
3. Sorry, third foul.
Sabi mamate. Tapos, 50-55 ang score.
4 minutes and 55. Shot clock 15. Rebound as Ursula.
Ay!
And there's a foul. 4 minutes and 47.
50-55. Free throw for Sir Ursuan, number 99. First attempt, wala.
Penalty.
Second attempt,
Second attempt for Sir Ursua.
wala. Rebound,
Rebound by number 24, Seymour. And there's a pushing foul. Number 3, fourth personal foul. Penalty.
Both teams penalty.
Ang dua ka team, aring nasa natawag na penalty.
50-55 ang score. Number 24, first attempt, short.
4 minutes and 44 seconds.
Second attempt. Basket. 51-55 na.
Humahabol, pero di susuko.
Third quarter pa lang kita. 51-55.
Shot clock 15.
Steal for Seymour.
Number 8.
Nice
Give it
pass.
number 25.
Nice block. Nice save for PNP Sarabia.
PNP Sarabia running number 6. Give it to Sir Ursua.
Ay! Rebound.
Rebound by number 6.
Ay! Wala pa again. Isa pa. Wala sa Diamond. Uy!
Foul.
Yung wala. Mugi na yung sports. That's life.
Dahil lang po, waya lang. Waya lang. Nice! Nice ya, team captain! Amo na ya! Amo na ya, team captain ya!
Penalty.
Penalty.
Both teams are now in penalty.
51-55 ang score para sa PNP Sarabia. Both teams penalty.
4 minutes and 9.
4 minutes, 9 seconds pa ang aton third quarter. Gahod ka tupad mo from Rajes Aguilar.
Basket.
Huwag ko na yun.
Oh, babae ko na lang.
Number 29. Second attempt. Wala. Rebound. 4.
Seymour.
Oy!
Stepping
Stepping on the line. No gun ba?
Number 1.
Ay!
There's a foul. All number 29. Third personal foul.
52-55 ang
2 free
score.
throws. 3 minutes
Babae,
and 56. Time 3 minutes and 56. The first timeout.
First attempt, basket. Rajes Aguilar. Second attempt. Basket.
Timeout. Save more.
Timeout for Seymour.
3 minutes and 56.
53-57 ang score.
No more timeouts to save more. PNP Sarabia may isa pa ka timeout.
May isa pa mo ka timeout, sir. Ah. May isa pa mo timeout. This game is battle for the fourth spot. Para sa Road to Magic 8. Battle for the fourth spot para sa Bracket A. Sino ay Han ang madalas sa Magic 8? Tingnan ko naman eh. Sino na sa ang babae, Madam? Secret. Ball 4. Save more. Si Lai. Araneta, kadalasang bola. Good dribble, good dribble. To number 14, Tumira short. Ako na yung galawa ka. Ball for TNP Sarabia. Oh? Traveling violation. Traveling violation for TNP Sarabia. 53-57 for PNP. 3 minutes 40 seconds remaining on our third quarter. 3 points for Araneta, wala. Rebound for number 3. PNP Sarabia ball. To number 1, 12. Basket. 53-59. PNP Sarabia ang abanse. Number 14. Umatake. Pinasa short. Rebound for PNP Sarabia. On the steal by Araneta, number 8. Pinasa to number 14. Number 14. Oh. Foul. Number 17. Free throw for number 14. 2 minutes 56 seconds remaining on our third quarter short. Second attempt. Basket. 54-59. Abanse sa gihapon ang PNP Sarabia. To number 1. To Sir Ursua. Oy! To number 3. Umatake 10-9. It basket. Number 3. 61-54 score. 61-54 for PNP Sarabia, number 7. Pinasa to number 29. Umatake. There's a foul. Number 3, congratulations on your graduation. 5 fouls. And, ano ba naman? Saan mag-graduate? Hindi na yung wedding. 2 minutes 20. Time, 2 minutes 20 seconds remaining on the third quarter. Number 29 on the free throw line. First attempt. Basket. Second attempt. Second attempt. Basket again. 56-61 for one steal. 4 save more Silay. 56-61 score. Wala. Rebound for Araneta, number 8. Kikita pasahan, number 14. Wala. Rebound for PNP Sarabia. There's a foul. Madam si Sir Islawa, shout out naton. Thank you. Si Sir Islawa.
Third personal foul, number 17.
Sir na Islawa, shout out ko na. Halin kay Lawrence Saviliana Garcia. Char show or show? Free throw for PNP Sarabia, number 17. First attempt. Wala. 2 minutes remaining on our third quarter. Second attempt for number 17. Wala sa giyapon. Rebound for Save Marcy line. Number 14. Kadalagan. Oh, to number 29. Tumira. Wala. Too strong. Rebound for PNP Sarabia. To Ursua to number 1. Basket.
1 minute 40 lang.
1 minute 40 seconds remaining on our third quarter. Number 8, Tumira. Out of bounds. Ball for PNP Saravia. Ball for PNP Saravia. Number 6. Number 6 to Sir Ursua, number 99. Basket. $56-65 the score. Last 1 minute of the third quarter. There's a foul. 58 seconds remaining. Madam, pa-shout out kay Nonoy Eslawa from Bragart in Pasig. Noy, kamusta sa Kalam from Renel Arrazo. Number 14 on the free throw line. First attempt, wala. Second attempt. Wala sa gayapon. Rebound for PNP Saravia. Oh. Ano to? Ano to? Kickball violation. Ice rep. Good. Ball for St. Marcelay. Doon ka fourth quarter na. Ay! Traveling!
Duwagid ka eh, Sol ba?
53 seconds. Ball for PNP Saravia. 50. 56-65 ang score. Ball para sa St. Marcelay. And steal. 35. Nice block. Up. Ball for St. Marcelay. 30 seconds remaining. Number 14. There's a foul.
Number 0, man. 0,
56-65 the score. Number 14 on the free throw line. First attempt. No good. Second attempt. Basket. 57-65. PNP Saravia. Oh, stepping on the line. Oh, ano to? 22 seconds remaining, third quarter. Oh. Ball for St. Marcelay. Number 14 to number 17. Out of bounds. Ball for PNP Saravia. 15 seconds remaining. 15 seconds. Third quarter. Sir Ursua. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End of the third quarter. I score 57-65. Abante sa gihapon ang PNP Saravia. Okay na to. Collection. Oh. Sige na, thank you. My God, my God. May ano pa na, may on the day pa na ma-intro. Oo. Yes. Libot. Patag. Thank you, good no. Thank you, good. Shin. Charity na charity event. October 1, Sunday. Ay, Saturday. Ano ko ganito, naging Sunday nila. Fourth quarter na kita. This game is the battle for the fourth spot para sa bracket A. Road to Magic 8. Fourth quarter. Ang game, PNP Saravia versus Save More Silay. Last quarter. Sino ay Han ang madalas sa Magic 8? $57-65 starting score for the fourth quarter. Number 0 to number... There's a foul basket. Number 9 is 0. Number 0 on the free throw line. First attempt, basket. Number 15, second personal foul. Ball for Save More Silay. Nicola with the last bola. 3 points! Wala.
Balay-balay.
57-68 ang score for PNP Saravia. Foul for number 3. His first personal foul. Madam pa shout out sa mga referees sa rin kay John Vladimir Demetri Delfinado. For 3, number 0, basket, and there's a foul. Reps in a foul. Number 6. Number 6 is third personal foul. 70-57. Rebound for PNP Saravia. Up. 3 seconds violation.
Pakireview lang ng ano natin.
Warning. Number 99. Number 0. Tuka Nicola for 3. Wala. Rebound. 4. Loose ball foul. Number 18. His fourth personal foul. Uy! Foul for number 17. Ball for Save More Silay to number 3. To number 18 for 3. Short. Ball for PNP Saravia. Number 0 to Duterte. To number 29. There's a foul. Wala. Foul for number 18. His fifth. 5 fouls. 5 na.
6 mo na sa anom na yan. Number 18, 5,000.
5,000. Wala, wag ko kina-fourth ka na. Sub. 57-70 and score fourth quarter of the game. 10:49 remaining. Ball for PNP Saravia. Duterte for 3. Wala. Rebound for number 29. Out of bounds. 14 shot clock. Duterte for 3 again. Basket. 73-57 na ang score for PNP Saravia. Number 0, umatake, and there's a foul. Foul for number 0. His first personal foul. Number 0 on the free throw line. First attempt, no good. Second attempt. Basket. 58-73. PNP Sarabia ball. Number 16. Dito ang bola. Up, out of bounds. Stepping on the line. 10 minutes remaining. Fourth quarter. Sub. Budlay ba na? $73-58 ang score. 58-73 for PNP Sarabia. Number 6, Umatake basket. 60-73. Number 29, Pedroso. And nice layup. Rebound for number 0. Oop, and steal for Seymour Silay. Number 0, nice pass to Canicola, number 16. And there's a foul basket. 62-73. Number 1. 9:30 remaining. Number 1, fourth personal foul. Organized. Canicola on the free throw line. Basket. 63-73. Number 0 to number 16. To number 1 for 3. Wala. Rebound for PNP Sarabia. Wala. Rebound for Seymour Silay. Canicola. Gadalagan. Uy! Nice block. To number 1 and to number 1 again. Gimpasa. Basket. 75-63. Sub. Ligaya number 3. Ito ang bola to number 0. Number 0. Naglibot. Gimpasa to Canicola for 3. Short. Rebound for number 0 to Canicola again, and there's a foul basket. 65-75 sub. Sino foul? Rep, sino foul, Rep? 29. Wala. First basket, 3-point play for Canicola, 66-75. Ooh!
9-10.
3-1. Ako naman dagali. To number 1. To number
Across the 2 points.
26 basket.
8 minutes and 23 seconds.
8:23 remaining on our fourth quarter. Number 0, umatake, pinasa to
Canicola for
Canicola,
3.
3-point short.
No good. Rebound.
Rebound 4, nice save. Out of bounds.
Out of bounds.
Sub.
PNP Sarabia ball. Substitution.
66-77. 8 minutes and 8 seconds remaining. Fourth quarter of the game. 66-77.
Ursua. Good. Duterte for 3. No. Rebound by Seymour.
0, Gadalagan.
Running. Give it to Canicola. Number 15. Canicola.
Basket.
2 points.
68-77. Galaot pa ang save more.
7 minutes and 41 seconds.
68-77 score.
Duterte.
Oop!
Two people guarding him. Ramirez.
Nice
2
pass!
points.
68-79. Save more
And
number
move
0.
gives
To
the
number 6
basket.
basket.
2 points.
70-79. For PNP Saravia.
Steal.
Ay!
Steal by Seymour. Number 0 running.
Ay!
Up.
Bola.
There's a foul. Foul number. Substitution.
5 fouls. Number 1. 5 fouls. Congratulations!
Orsua.
Graduate ka na.
And
Ano? Anong sound sa graduate na? Hindi na balon. Di ba wedding man na?
7 minutes. First free throw. At count.
Wedding na.
Second attempt.
Wedding na mo. Basket. For 0-71-79.
Number 27, Yaku.
Ay! Naagaw by
Nicola, number
Seymour.
15, running. Give it to 0. Easy
Basket.
basket. 2 points. 6 minutes and 43.
73-79 is score.
Steal by
Steal by Seymour.
Steal by PNP
Steal by
Sarabia.
PNP
And
Sarabia.
there's a foul. Time out. Save more Silay.
Time out for Save Marsilay. 73-79. Anom na lang. Both teams, penalty. Ay. Oo. Sa din ang penalty. Ha? PNP? Pwede Rio dapat pa ito ba? Ang penalty. Kasi kaya ang save more, wala pa. Dari ka ni Pato, bango, kayo sila pa lang ang penalty. Na,
For our next game, PNP Silay versus Save More Talisa.
duwa ka PNP, kag duwa ka
It's another battle for the fourth spot for the bracket B. 6 minutes and 33 remaining time.
6:33 remaining free throw for no excuses. First attempt.
Kung hindi ma-shoot, no excuses.
No excuses, oh.
Second attempt.
No excuses. Second attempt on the free throw line.
Voila!
Rebound.
by Save More.
Save more. Up.
Steal by PNP, but a good pass to Save More. To Palpal.
Nice one. Sapa.
20 seconds shot clock.
Pang-amor, diba sa manatlo na?
Nicola. Good
Nice pass. Whoa. Block again.
Another block for Ramirez.
There's a foul.
Number 6 foul. Fourth personal foul.
Love fourth naman.
Tan, tan, tanan.
Kubusay play.
6 minutes and 17. PNP Sarabia, penalty.
Lawig foul. Ha? Wala ko dala tissue. Ito sa isa ko kabag. May tissue ko dala. Ito sa isa ko kabag. Bing tissue. Wala di sa camera bag ko.
Ano ba?
Wala, di ko diya dala, sir.
6-12 seconds.
73-81 is score for PNP Sarabia. Crucial game battle for the fourth spot para sa bracket A.
Rebound, PNP Sarabia. 5 minutes and 55.
Nice
Good
pass. There's a foul.
Foul number 8.
Dua.
Third personal foul.
Number 0 on the free throw line. First attempt, basket. 73-82. Second attempt, basket again. 73-83.
5 minutes and 45 seconds.
5:45. Number
Nice.
0. Nice.
Easy layup.
75-83.
Look.
8 seconds violation. 7.
5 minutes and 27 seconds.
75-83 ang score.
Traveling.
Traveling.
5 minutes and 21.
Oop. Steal.
Steal. Save ball. Number 8. Araneta. Dribbling.
Ay! Kanugon.
5 minutes and 8 seconds.
75-83. Walo na lang. Lawit pang oras. 5 minutes remaining.
5 minutes. Shot clock 10. 8. 7.
Basket. 75-85.
Back to the 10-point lead.
Number 0. Wala sa pasahan. Wala sa pasahan.
Shot clock 15.
To number 16.
Nicola for
Nicola for
3. No good.
What's
Rebound by
Save
Seymour.
one.
Number 8. Araneta.
Oh,
There's a foul.
blocking foul.
All number 29. Penalty.
Penalty. Both teams, penalty.
Substitution.
75-85 ang score is 75-85. Sablang.
Substitution.
Penalty.
4 minutes and 28.
From Araneta Coliseum.
That's a number 8. Wala.
First attempt, no good.
Hoy, sinurog ang tira ni Araneta. Subong. 75-85.
Second attempt,
Last throw for number 8.
no good. Rebound by Nicola.
Wala.
Pushing foul. 4 minutes and 28.
Kani ko lang pala foul. Third
Nicola,
personal.
third personal foul. Both teams are now in the penalty.
4:28 remaining. First attempt,
First
wala.
attempt, no good.
75-85. Lawig pa ang oras.
4 minutes 28.
Second
Second
attempt.
at basket.
here. 75-86 for PNP
11 point
Sarabia.
lead for PNP Sarabia. Shot clock 15.
Ka Nicola for 3.
Rebound by PNP Sarabia. Give it to Duterte, number 14. Give it to. No excuses. No good. Nicola for the rebound.
No excuses. No good.
Nice
4 minutes.
pass.
Nice
Basket.
pass. 2 points.
77-86.
Duterte, number 14.
Duterte umatake. Wala. Rebound. Wala sa gihapon.
3 minutes and
Number
45.
15 ka Nicola. Nagpundo. Uy.
Shot clock 15.
For 3.
Good rebound by PNP Sarabia.
Nice.
Libre Duterte.
Easy basket. Okay na na.
3 minutes and 23 seconds.
88-77 for PNP Sarabia, number 0. Oh, out of
Save
bounds.
more ball.
Sub.
Shot clock 15. Substitution. Shot clock 15.
3 minutes.
For 3. Salico.
10 seconds for
Yes.
3
Salico
points
three.
for Salicos. 80-88 ang score. 80-88. Eslawa to
3
number
minutes.
29.
2 minutes.
There's a foul.
Ball number 6. 2 minutes and 58.
Number 6,
Five
5
foul.
fouls again. 29 on the free throw line. First attempt.
2 minutes and 58 seconds. Basket. Salico, 0. Dribbling. Penetrates. Gave it
Nice
to
pass!
yeah. Good
Basket.
pass.
82-89.
2 minutes and 42 seconds.
2 minutes 42.
Shot clock 15.
Eslawa to number 29.
Basket.
Basket.
2 minutes and 30 seconds.
82-91.
Salico for 3. No good. PNP Sarabia ball. 2 minutes and 17 seconds.
No excuses on the run. Basket. 93-82. Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes. Foul. Ball number 16. 1 minute and 53 seconds.
Canicula on the free throw line. 82-93 ang score.
First attempt.
Basket.
Basket.
83-93.
Second attempt.
Basket.
Time out. PNP Sarabia.
84-93 ang score. Timeout for PNP Sarabia.
1 minute and 53 seconds remaining time.
84-93 ang score. Tatlo ng fouled out sa naman. Sa save more. Tatlo na. Ubus.
And for our next game, PNP Silay versus Savemore Talisa. Another battle for the fourth spot
Bracket
for the
B.
bracket B. One minute and 53 seconds remaining time.
1:53 remaining.
De La Cruz, number 27. Give it to number 16, Ramirez. Shot clock 15.
Oy!
Foul. Number 3.
Fourth. Second.
Second personal foul. Good free throw.
Si Dadile.
1 minute and 38 seconds.
Free throw. Basket.
Basket.
84-94. Second
Second
attempt.
attempt.
Basket again. Going sa Din. Let's go.
1 minute and 35.
Kalidea din, mag-cheer ka dito.
Nicola.
Tuligaya.
No good. Rebound. And there's a foul. Number 16. Third personal foul. 1 minute and 23 seconds.
Nicola on the free throw line. 84-95 and score. Basket. 85-95. Pa-shout out kay Boss Val Diaz sa next game. Daan PNP's Live versus Save Mortal. Lisa, good luck sa game. From Joven Borlas, Urashal. Basket again for Nicola. 86-95. Sham ang abante.
1 minute and 20. Shot clock 15. 1 minute and 12.
Uy!
Basket.
Nice
1
move
minute and
by
6.
number 27. 97-86.
Nicola, number 15. 1 minute.
Last 1 minute of the game.
Nicola, no good. Rebound by
Ligaya.
Seymour.
Basket.
Basket. 50 seconds.
89-97.
There's a foul. Number 15, Nicola. 45 seconds. 2 free throws. Fourth personal foul. Number 15.
45
45
seconds remaining.
Ilan pag time out ko? Hindi ko
Sa-
gagamitin ha.
Hindi na.
De La Cruz on the free throw line. First attempt, no good.
Hindi ko nagamitin. Number 27. Second
45
attempt.
seconds.
Sa labyan.
Second attempt,
Wala.
no good. Rebound by
Rebound.
Seymour. Give to Salico. Ortiz.
Hey!
Steal by PNP.
Why not?
35.
Kalma.
There's a foul.
Foul. 32 seconds.
Pasok mo isa lang ha.
Sino foul? Basket.
First attempt, basket.
Pwede yung magampong mo.
Second attempt.
Second attempt. Basket
Yeah,
again.
basket.
99-88.
30 seconds.
30 seconds. Grabe si Sir Depositario Balo
25.
di mag-agaw from Kramer Jonky.
22 seconds. 20. Foul.
Congratulations, number 14, on your graduation. Dali lang ula po!
19 seconds. Remaining time. 2 free throws.
88-99. Second
First
attempt.
No good.
Basket.
Basket.
Sulod na!
And 15. 10.
9,
9.
8,
8.
7,
7.
6,
6.
5.
5.
Congratulations, PNP Sarabian!
2.
Score 88-100. Congrats!
Congratulations to the both teams.
Our best player of the game. Nalipat ka? Number 3. Ay, ikaw? Number 9. Number 9.
Congratulations to PNP Sarabia. They're now entering the 4th spot for the bracket game.
Thank you. Relive ko next game. Thank you so much.